If you're a new YouTuber, the best way to promote your videos are through Gmails or let's say mails. But now, what if you don't have any mail or you don't have any mail list on your Gmail or you haven't saved any mail? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you ways which you can find emails that when you publish videos on YouTube, you can send these YouTube videos to these mails and for you to get views and start getting some monetization rolling in. So the first thing I do is that I use a software called Let's Extract Emails Studio. So when I head over to this website, I just click on Google search, then next I type in at gmail.com, because mainly you want to use Gmail because Gmails are more popular than any of the mail. As you can see here, Yahoo Mail is not that popular like that. So I just say at gmail.com, then I click OK and it starts loading. As you can see, it says new and searching from Google, so it says still processing. So you just have to wait some time and this will start processing and start spitting out the emails here in the results. So let's just wait for a little while. While waiting for this little while, I say let's move over to Chrome extension, or sorry, to the Chrome browser. As you can see here, I have the email finder extension right here, and also I have an email extractor extension. What these two extensions do is that anytime I head over to any web page, let's say like Facebook, Twitter, or any web page, these two email extractors here, they extract the emails from those pages. Like if I head over to facebook.com, you can see here it says 0 now because I'm still on the home page. Once I head over to a page like Facebook, you start spitting out different emails there, and you can just copy all of them and add them to your library, or to if you have Microsoft Word on your system, you can just add them directly to that place. So now let's head over back to Let's Extract Email Studio. As you can see right here, head over to the result, you can see that it has started spitting out some emails right here. You can see spits out many emails. You can see example at gmail.com. You can see Bastidia 5003 at gmail.com. Here you can see Johnny Smith 2000 at gmail.com. So these are emails that are being used every day. So on the Google homepage, these are emails that they have created. So but now that's not all. Please don't click off this video. What you want to do next is you click on stop search, then you can say please it says please wait until Let's Extract Emails complete connection. So okay, now once it has done that, you can see that the email verifier pops up like this. What you want to do is that you click on the email verifier and you say okay, it has processed a total of 116 email. So now what you want to do is that you click start. So it starts checking these emails to see if these emails are actually good for you or if they are just bad emails, because some emails have been long created and some of them have been deleted from Google. So this email verifier here checks if the email is actually good. As you can see, it says okay, they are valid 116 emails. Most times you might see some ones that say invalid here. So what you want to do next is you click on apply. Once you click on apply, it shows these green boxes. This means that the emails it has extracted from the Google website is actually valid. So next thing you want to do here is you click on email verifier, you click on save to file, or you say copy to clipboard, or say export to Excel. Any way you want this, but this actually I'm using the demo version. If you want to export to Excel, you must buy or activate the pro version. So just click on order now, pay, and you get the pro version where you can actually copy or save files. Like me now, I don't save files. What I do is that I split my screen and start typing the emails directly to my Gmail and send my mails to them. That's how I was able to get over 65 subscribers in just 1 month. I know this might not be very big, but for a small channel, I started last year December, and now I'm getting 65 subscribers and almost 15.6 watch time hours. So this is not very easy. I don't upload video on a consistent basis because I have only like 12 videos on my channel, but the 12 videos are bringing in the views and everything. So if you want to learn more about how to get views on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if this video helped you to get emails from any website you want. Of course, if you want more video tutorials about how to edit videos, come over and check Vidsify, and I'll be here to give you a quick video anytime. Thank you.